In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable n8n Webhooks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to n8n.io and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create Workflow, located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to start a new workflow. Now, once you're in the workflow editor, you'll see a few different options available. For this particular process, you want to choose the option for building manually. This gives you complete control over all the steps in your workflow, which is pretty handy when you want to customize it to your specific needs. With that set up, let's add the webhook trigger. Locate the Add First Step button, click on it, and from the side panel that appears, select On Webhook Call. This step is crucial because it acts as a listener for incoming requests and is what will kick off your automation when the webhook is triggered. After that, you'll see a window pop up with various webhook parameters. Here, you'll need to find the test URL provided. This is the endpoint that external applications will use to trigger your workflow. So make sure to copy that test URL to your clipboard because you'll need it shortly. Now let's test our configuration. You'll want to click on the button that says Listen for Test Event. This activates your webhook and makes it ready to receive calls. Next, open a new browser tab and paste that test URL you copied earlier into the address bar. Hit Enter to execute it. If everything is configured correctly, you should see a confirmation message pop up indicating that your workflow has started. That's a fantastic sign. You're halfway there. Once you see that confirmation, it's a great idea to check the logs for more details. Go back to the n8n editor and look at the right panel, which should display logs from the request. These logs are incredibly useful as they show you information about the incoming request and the data that was passed through your webhook. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled webhooks in n8n. This functionality opens up a world of possibilities for integrating with other services and automating your workflows. Whether it's triggering actions from third-party applications or listening for events, webhooks are a powerful feature that can enhance your automation processes. If you have any questions or if anything wasn't clear, don't hesitate to drop a comment below for further clarification. I'm more than happy to help you out. To sum things up, we navigated to the n8n dashboard, created a manual workflow, set up a webhook trigger, copied the test URL, tested the configuration, and reviewed the logs for insights. Following these steps will empower you to harness n8n's automation capabilities effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and give it a